In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cover this bald spot and get this cute 2-high puff ponytail hairstyle.
Welcome to the Living Irving channel. Welcome to the Living Irving channel.
Okay, so I am starting out with freshly hydrated hair, and you can see my bald spots here, honey. I have traction alopecia. I have been under a doctor's care for a while. My edges, my follicles are dead, and they are not growing back. So don't worry, I am not doing any harm here. As far as the rest of my edges, yes, I am taking good care of what I have. Ladies, if you suffer from fine hair, thinning hair, traction alopecia, and I don't mean suffering from fine hair, if it's hereditary. If you have fine hair, thin hair, there is some hope in these hairstyles for this summer. So what we're going to do is we're going to part our hair down the middle, and we're going to put our hair into high puff ponytails. So we're going to go in with some Shine and Jam. We're going to go in with a little product. If you have thin hair like me, don't use a whole lot of this, because what it does is weighs your hair down. Sorry for how it's looking in the back. I did go in and fix that, but yeah, just go ahead and brush the first side up into a high puff, and yes, be very gentle on your hair. Don't pull tightly on your edges or your hairline. I really am not pulling tightly on my hair. I am very gentle because I do suffer from migraines and I'm tender-headed, so I'm being as gentle as possible with these two high puff ponytails. Once you have your ponytails in place, we're going to move on to the next step. This hairstyle is so easy. Anyone can do this hairstyle, and it literally will take you less than 5 minutes if you're pretty quick. So as you can see, I have my two puffs and my bald spots are still exposed, but we're going to fix that down the line. So what we're going to do is go ahead and add some little baby hairs. This step is totally optional. I love adding baby hairs. It does help to disguise the edge line for me by adding this extra little step. As you can see, the bald spots kind of like closed up a little bit. So go ahead and mold that down with your little strips. Leave it on. I would recommend at least 10 minutes. I leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes before I take it off. This just helps it to dry and just helps the gel to mold down. So we're going to go in with the Outre Quick Pony. This was less than $12, I believe. And you're going to go ahead and take the little two puffs out. They are drawstring ponytails. They have 2 tuck combs in them each. So it's super easy to snap them on top of your puff. So be gentle with the tuck combs. Don't stab yourself in the head where you have discomfort with these ponytails, and try to move and position the ponytails as close to the edge line to give yourself a little bit more of a disguise. This is a great way this summer. It's hot, and to just wear your hair out and just hide those balding and thinning edges. And this is such a cute, fun look. You know, ladies, switch up the looks. Have fun this summer, and switch up your hairstyles. I think this is so adorable, and it does take some age off of you with this little cute hairstyle. So now I'm going in with the Kiss Quick Cover Spray in the color black. I'm not a big fan of the sprays. I use the cover stick so much, but I'm just going to show you a different method. If I don't feel like I really needed this, but if you're insecure about your edge line, you can go ahead and take a little bit of this black spray and spray it on your edges, and that'll give you a little bit more disguise. So this is it. This is the hairstyle, guys. I think it turned out super cute. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
What else could you ask for? Baby, I'm a hot, sexy